Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Kuldeep here, and today we are going to learn a new tool that is known as Playwright. So as the part of today's session, we will have an overview of this tool and see what are different features and capabilities this Playwright tool provides to us. Okay, so let's start. So friends, this is the official website for the Playwright tool. Okay, so the same I have opened here. Basically, the Playwright enables reliable end-to-end testing for the modern web application, and they support the testing on different browsers like the Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Opera, and Safari. And they have provided the list of the features they supported. Okay, so I have captured these points in this document, and I will like to go through these points one by one. The first point is Playwright is an open source framework for web testing and automation. So which means like you don't need to pay anything as it is open source. So you can download the respective jar files and you can start using it. Okay. Coming to the cross browser testing. So it supports all the modern rendering engine, including Chrome, Chromium based browsers, Safari, Opera, and the Firefox. So like if your project required the cross browser testing, so obviously you can go for it. Okay. And our next point is cross-platform testing. It supports the testing on the different platforms like the Windows, Linux, Mac OS. So it provides the multiple choice to execute our test cases on the different platforms as well. And coming to the language support, so it supports TypeScript, JavaScript, Python, .NET, and Java. So if you're comfortable in any of these languages, then definitely you can utilize any of these languages for coding. Okay. Moving to the next point. The next point is like no flaky test. So basically it provides a mechanism of auto wait. Due to that, actually we don't need to provide or write any kind of code with respect to the wait. Okay. So say like if you are writing in the Selenium like implicit wait or the explicit wait, so that we don't need to provide. So which means like the test cases are not getting failed in the multiple executions, and we are able to get the same kind of consistent results here. Okay. And the test cases execution is also very fast. So it happens due to its architecture, and we will see that in a separate video, right? Apart from that, like it gives couple of good tools. Okay, so first is like the code gen. So basically with help of this tool, actually you can do the record and whatever actions you want to perform on the any website, so you can perform those actions, and after that you can save your actions in any of these languages. Okay, so you can save the scripts as it is, and you can utilize the same in your Eclipse side, and after that you can execute it without making any change. So the people who are not from the coding background, so they can also utilize this tool. Okay, and with help of Playwright inspector, we can inspect page, generate selectors. Okay, step through the test execution, see click points, and explore execution logs. Okay, and moving to the last point, so that is the trace viewer. Trace viewer capture all the information to investigate the test failure. Along with that, it captures the video as well as the screenshots. Okay, so you can easily track like where your test cases is failing, and you can fix that out. Okay, so guys, these are some features that Playwright provides. Apart from that, like we can do the API testing as well. Okay, based on these features, this tool looks quite promising. Okay, so now let's see the documentation of Playwright. Okay, so as we will using the Java for coding purpose, so let's go through this Java documentation. Okay, simply go to here, this docs folder. Okay, so they have provided a very neat and clean documentation like how you can install this Playwright on your system. Okay, like they have given us this form.xml file. So what you need to do, you need to create a Maven project and just utilize this form.xml file so that you are able to get the dependencies with respect to Playwright. Okay, they have provided this script as well. So actually I have gone through this document and created one project as well as this test script. Okay. So I will explain about this script in more detail in my upcoming videos. But as of now, like I will just give you overview of these steps. Okay. So first what we need to do, we need to start the Playwright server, and then we need to get the browser context. After that, we need to get the page context, and there are methods like as in the Selenium we have driver.get. So in the same way, like we have the navigate. With the help of this navigate method, actually I am launching this URL and trying to get the title of this page, and after that I am closing the browser and closing the Playwright server as well. So we can execute in the very simple ways. Just we need to right click and run as a Java application. Okay, you can see like Chromium browser will be launched and respective URL will be opened here, and after that it will fetch the title. Okay, so here you can see like it has opened Chromium browser. So guys, please note that this is not the Chrome browser. It is Chromium browser. Okay, so and like it has executed the test case successfully. So basically it has navigated this page, and after that it has simply got the title of URL. Okay, and then it has closed the browser, and after that Playwright server as well. So guys, this is the overview of Playwright tool. I hope you are able to collect some points from here. Okay, I will create some more videos over the time for this tool. Okay? So guys, that's it for today's video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.